So I was playing Coldor with a couple of my friends, and we were on the map Checkmate, and I noticed that this sounded really familiar. And I swear to God, I've heard this sound somewhere in my life.